Hello everyone, welcome to Joyroute. In our last video, we were drafting a Word document with the help of Copilot. Copilot has got very helpful and magical offerings to simplify our day-to-day work with Microsoft 365 applications. Let's see what are those magical offerings with Microsoft Word document. So we'll start from the beginning. We will open a Word document. Let's open a Word document. So we'll ask Copilot to draft a Word document for the post of Microsoft consultant. So we will generate a job post for the Microsoft technical consultant with 10 years experience in Azure and Microsoft 365. So let Copilot generate a draft for us. All right. Alright, so it has provided the document here for us. Now we can refine this document. If we want some changes to this document, we can refine it. The job description, I want it as a paragraph, not as a bullet points. So we will mention that and we'll refine this document again. So let's type I need job description in a paragraph. All right, so it is refining this document again, making the changes. See, all right, now the document that is drafted by Copilot, if you want to make some changes on a specific area, if you are not okay with any specific area or any specific paragraphs, you can ask Copilot to change it, to refine that. For that, what you have to do, you'll have to select that area. For example, in our case, we are selecting the job description, which is given by Copilot. If we are not okay with that, you want to make some changes on that, select that area and click on this Copilot symbol. And here there is an option to rewrite with Copilot. So let us rewrite it with the Copilot. So it's making changes here. It is rewrite and given to us. And we have three different ways. You can select the second one and third one. Here, if you click on this toggle symbol, here you have an option to change the tone. If you want to be a neutral or professional, or if you want a casual job description, you can ask the Copilot to create a casual job description. Let's select casual and ask Copilot to regenerate it. Instead of keeping our job description more professional, we want to keep it as casual. So let's see what Copilot offers to us. So now a casual rewrite of your text. As a Microsoft technical consultant, you will help of clients to use different Microsoft technology like Azure, Microsoft. So it has given us a casual job description. And again, we have different options here. Three different options they have shared to us. And if you want to make it as imaginative or professional, neutral, you can replace it accordingly. Now it has got certain limitation. It works only on paragraphs. If you want to recreate the tone, you can create it only on the paragraph. For example, if you want to do the same for this job requirement, we are selecting these bullet points and ask to rewrite it. See, here you do not have an options like please select only plain text paragraph, as Copilot currently does not support tables or other non-text elements. So whatever you have done with this plain paragraph, you cannot do with this a table or a bullet points. So this is a limitation from Microsoft Copilot. There might not be a limitation afterwards because Microsoft's continuously improving it. So there might be things that change, but as of now, it works only on plain text. Now let's consider another scenario. We want to submit a proposal to the client. This will be helpful for the sales, marketing, and back office workers. Proposal can be according to your business. If your business related to coffee shop or tourism or whatever is your topic, you want to prepare whatever is your business. You want to prepare a proposal and submit to your client. So Copilot will help you to do that. If we take some examples, if your business is if you are on IT infrastructure and you want to implement Azure Virtual Desktop to the client. and you want to submit a proposal to that, you can ask Copilot to create it. In this example, I'm asking Copilot to write a proposal for me to expand my YouTube channel. I have written my channel name is Joyroute-jojo. Proposal should be different methods to promote my videos. So it is good to give as much as information possible to Copilot. So it will provide you more precise and accurate data that relevant to you. Ask Copilot to create a proposal for me to expand my YouTube channel. Click on the Copilot symbol here and I just copy that here. Write a proposal for me to expand my YouTube channel. My channel name is Joyroute-jojo. Proposal should be different methods to promote my video. Let's see how Copilot create a proposal for me. Okay, it's giving me an introduction, objectives, methods. However you required your proposal, you can ask Copilot to create it for you. So you can give such instructions here. So Copilot will create the proposal for you. All right, let's move on. So as I told you in the beginning, Microsoft Copilot has got so much magical features that is helpful for us. So now let's see one of that, which is nothing but Copilot has the ability to take any text and convert it into a table. If you take an text unstructured and turn into a table, by definition it gives that a text structure. And that's why this feature is so powerful. It can take any unstructured text and convert into a structured table. Let's see the live demo. Here we have a unstructured text to prepare Kerala style chicken roast. So let's see how it convert to a table and how it looks like. So we select that unstructured text and click on the Copilot simple and visualize as a table. Let's see how it convert into a table. Here you can see a more structured table where it says the ingredients, amount and usage. So this is one of the magical feature that Copilot offers to us. And finally, let's get into another feature that is basically one of the highlight of Copilot. Now, as you probably know, artificial intelligence large language models are very good at reading text and being able to extract relevant insights and answers from that particular text. And that is baked into Copilot. So I have copied a document from internet and pasted it on this document, which is related to virtual desktop architecture design. So let us see how Copilot read this data and understand it and gives answers to us related to this particular document. So we have a Copilot symbol here in the top. We'll click on that, where we get certain options here like summarizing this document, ask questions about this doc. And here you have something called view prompts. So if you click on that, you have an option to understand, ask. If you click on understand, you get more options here. So let's ask Copilot to summarize this document. So I'm clicking on that. Consider a document that is 100-page length and you do not have time to read this 100-page document. So in such scenario, you can use Copilot. You can ask Copilot to summarize this document. So it will summarize and will give you the main ideas. It is about virtual desktop solution on Azure, learning path Azure virtual desktop. So it summarizes and gives us the data. If you want it in 3 sentences, you can ask Copilot to summarize in 3 sentences. So I'm just telling it to summarize this document in 3 sentences. So here it has summarized it in 3 sentences and given us the data. You can ask more questions related to this document. It will give you accurate answer, like if you have some deadlines on your proposals, or if you want to know specifically about something. For example, in this document, we have something related to FS logic. So we can ask Copilot, what is FS logic? What is FS logic? So here they have explained something related to FS logic. So let's see how the chatbot pulled that data and gives us. See, according to this document, FS Logic is designed for roaming profiles into remote computing environment like Azure Virtual Desktop. It stores a complete user profiles in a single container, and sign in this container is dynamically attached to the computing environment. So it provides the details that's provided in this document, and it summarizes and gives us. So in this way, Copilot can read your document and provide you more accurate answers to your questions. So, all right, that's all about Copilot live demo with Microsoft Word. We'll see you in the other video. Till then, goodbye.